Welcome! If you're looking to remove your header photo on X, formerly known as Twitter, using your PC and the latest update, you're in the right place. Whether you want a cleaner look or just need a change, the process is quick and easy. Let's walk through each step together so you can update your profile in just a few moments. First, open your preferred web browser and go to x.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look to the left side of your screen for the main menu. Here, you'll see the profile option. Click on it to head over to your personal profile page. Now that you're on your profile, you'll notice an Edit Profile button near the top of the page, just below your header image. Click on Edit Profile to start making changes. This will open up the editing panel where you can update your profile details, including your header photo. Next, direct your attention to the header photo area. You'll see a small camera icon or, depending on the update, a Remove Header Photo icon. Click on this icon. A prompt will appear, giving you the option to remove your current header photo. Select Remove, and you'll notice the header image disappears, leaving your profile with a clean, default look. The final step is crucial. Don't forget to click Save at the top right corner of the editing panel. This ensures your changes are applied, and your profile is updated without a header photo. If you skip this step, your old header will remain in place. And that's it. You've successfully removed your header photo on X using your PC. Your profile now has a fresh new appearance, ready for whatever you want to share next. If you found this guide helpful, consider exploring more tips to make the most of your X experience. Thanks for tuning in, and happy customizing.